Indians are my brothers and sisters. Hello my country. And I am proud of age rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperities alone lies and my dear friends, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Make it fast.
A glad morning everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by logging of Grade-VII Cerulean. State news. Gram Panchayat elections. Complaining of Gram Panchayat elections in Telangana had ended and voting will take place peacefully under strict supervision. Support for farmers. The Telangana government has released funds to farmers or paddy product procurement, providing financial support during the current agriculture season. Sport news. Cricket achievement. Telangana cricket Tilak Verma and was honored by the Chief Minister of his excellent performance in international cricket. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Happy morning everyone. Today's International National is brought to you by CR from Grade-VII Cerulean. International news. Indian Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar arrived in Israel to discuss regional issues. National news. Century Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme has been changed to Vikasit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivak Mission. Thank you.
Word is brought to you by Narsimlu from Grade-VII Cerulean. Word, lumpiness, to carry something hardly. Friends, please repeat after me. Lumpiness. To carry something hardly. Thank you. LUM.
Happy morning everyone. Today's GK question is brought to you by Yamasa from Grade-VII Cerulean. Question for Grade-VII. Who is the head of the state in India? Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is President. Let's update them. Question for Grade-VIII. Which movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942? Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is Quickly India movement. Let's update them. Question for Grade-IX. Which river is called of Ganga the South? Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is Godavari. Let's update them. Question for Grade-X. Who makes the lava in India? Laws in India. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is Parliament. Let's update them. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Can you make it fast?
Happy morning, everyone. I am Sandeep of Grade-VII Cerulean, here to deliver speech on current affairs. Current affairs help us. Current affairs help us in understanding what happens around us in our country, our state, or world. They make us aware citizens and responsible individuals. When we are ready or listen to news daily, we develop critical thinking and improvements our general knowledge. In India, the government is functionally focusing on education, digital learning, space research, and sports development. Our society, our scientists continue to make the nation proud. Thought through advancement in space technology, while others are bringing medals at international competitions. In Telangana, special importance in being given to farmers, farmers welfare, education, and sports. In infrastructure, young talents from our state are performing well in cricket, archery, chess, and athletics, inspiring students like us to dream big. At goal at global level, countries are working together to address challenges such as climate change, technology growing, and full comparison. The development training us in the world is choose content. Thank you. Have a nice day.